Thank you. Okay, ask me how I am. আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করেন আমি কেমন আছি? Yeah, thank you. Thanks for asking. I'm also doing great, and I'm so happy and delighted to be here with you people, the smartest ones in this world. Okay, thank you so very much, and wish you a very good day. So I'll not be lingering the session for a long time. Let me introduce you myself first. This is Roslyn Zaman. I am an English language instructor. I have been teaching English language for last around 25 years. Okay? And now I am working with my own language institution, Gurukul. I'm the founder of it. And I work with almost all the brand institutions, the leading institutions of our country. Today we are here to share a bit of my knowledge about English language. Are you ready to take it? Yes, okay. And what I always do, I never go on lecturing in my sessions or seminars or classes. I never believe in that. আমার সেশনগুলোতে আমি সারাক্ষণ একা লেকচার দিতে থাকি না। It usually comes as an interactive session. Interactive মানে হচ্ছে যেখানে both the party takes part. তো আমার এই সেশনে আমি ডিসকাস করব, সাথে সাথে আপনাদের কাছ থেকেও আমি মতামত চাইবো, অপিনিয়ন চাইবো। তখন আমাকে কোরাসে সবাই মিলে আনসারটা করব। Can you do it? Can you do it? Yes. So thank you very much. I would love to start my session with a very simple question. You're gonna see the question on the screen. All right? Everybody can see the screen? Yes, yes. Okay. So the question you see on the screen, I would love to get the answer from you. Are you ready for it? Yes. Okay. So let's go for the question.